Okay, after Frank, we will check with Joseph what he did during this TADHack in Boston. Joseph created the Wi-Fi phone hack.
Yeah.
And he used Voxbone,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Okay. Congrats, Joseph. The scene is yours.
Okay. Okay, there are a lot of smartphones around the world, but most people don't need a smartphone because most people only want to use their phone to make voice call. So that service can be satisfied using a Wi-Fi. And there's almost Wi-Fi everywhere you go in your house and everything. So for a lot of poor people who are paying $40, $50 a month for a feature phone, they can replace that with a Wi-Fi phone. So with today's technology, you can make a Wi-Fi phone about this size. And the beauty of this is that it's voice control. So you have a speaker dependent, not speaker independent. Speaker dependent because you only need a limited vocabulary. So you can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or the name of the people, and you can train the device so that you can make a phone call. And it's very, very simple. And we have a very simple protocol which is different from WebRTC. Our protocol is very simple, but so if you are connecting to someone who is also on Wi-Fi, then you can make a direct call, you can make conference call and all that stuff. But a lot of people, they want to connect to people who have cell phone, so they need to dial out. So that's where you use Voxbone. So on our server, we have our own server so that you can take signals from this Wi-Fi phone and then convert it to a SIP on Voxbone trunk lines. So with this one, you can buy, probably by end of the year, you can buy this probably next summer for about $10. So for a lot of people, this can replace their phone. Basically, that's me. So if you just want a feature phone, you don't have to subscribe to the AT&T or Verizon. For the $40 that you are paying AT&T, you can go and get cable. And then you get Wi-Fi in your house. At the same time, you can get cable, right? Yeah, so, okay, yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. Yeah, that is it.
Okay, you had a schema to show? Or?
Well,
Yeah,
yeah.
you can show that on the, make sure it
Can
gets
you show
close
on the
to
camera?
so you can see.
So basically, you have these devices, and which connects to the internet, and over here we have a server, and then it converts our signal to the SIP trunk.
Okay.
So we don't have to have any of the software on our device. All the connection is done on the web, the cloud.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Joseph.
Are there any questions?
Yeah.
So why would you need a device when you can use Google Plus or some other?
Yeah, they're required to have a laptop or smartphone.
Yeah, I guess.
This is $10, right? It has
It's $10.
Yeah, it has a Bluetooth, so you can have a Bluetooth headset. And if you go anywhere, there's Wi-Fi, and a lot of cities are providing free Wi-Fi. So if you are only doing voice call, because most of the time the data rate is not high for video and all that stuff. But if all I want to do is to make voice call, for a lot of the cities, you don't need a phone.
Okay.
More questions?
When you dial, do you envision using like the PSTN phone numbers, or would it be a different type of addressing scheme? Like how would you call someone else? How do you envision that?
Well, you call their number, so you have a web server.
Yeah.
So just call the same way you make
So
a
it'd
phone
be
call.
your same number.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
nothing has changed.
Yeah.
Right. The
Okay,
interface is
yeah,
the same
yeah,
as the
same
way
thing,
you do
okay.
it. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Congrats.
Yeah.